So guys, I'm going to walk you through how to trade meme coin, how to find good meme coins, specifically new meme coin, and how you can trade this meme coin. It is very easy. You can make tons of money trading meme coin. Believe you know that's already. That's why you're watching this video. Before we get right in, please do to smash that like button. Or pray to have just 5 views and 5 likes, not to have 100 views and 0 or 1 or 2 likes. Get if I got 100 views, I want to have 100 likes. So it is pretty much easy. You get so this is the screener as you all know. And on this screen you can select few you can use to select trendy coins, top coins, gainer, new pairs. And for today we'll be talking about the new pairs. So to trade new pairs it is very easy, but you just need to be cautious because new pairs are contains coins that have been created recently. Probably in the last can simply choose last 1 hour. You click on last 1 hour, you're going to see coins that has been created in the last 1 hour. You get I love this kind of coins because they have been created recently, and if you can find good ones like the ones that are not rocks, you can get to make a good S from it. You get so I'll be opening up some of them are like few. I'll be opening up few and we get to check them out and see if there's anyone that can probably do where you get. So what I'm doing is simply come to this place. I'm going to click on this place, get to show the ones that has profile. Get very important you do that. So I know that with this I've limited some of the rocks at so looking at free ones. Get so I'm going to open up a few of them and this particular one looks as something that is original. I'm going to open up this Uranus. I'm looking for one coins with smaller market caps to get, not the one that have done really well. You get that one less than in the market cap. That's what I'm looking for. So quickly I'll open up few of them up and maybe checking them out. Get so let's open up this. Let me just click on filter. Let's change this to the platform to Solana. Very important. So I'm going to click on Solana. I'm seeing coins of pulse chain. Well, I want to trade Solana. So I'm going to tap on search, click on apply. So now we are only having coins that are listed on the Solana blockchain you get. So I'm going to open up this first one, Sunny the dog. I'm going to open up this one and I think I'll open up this. Then let's see there's few others that I can probably open up. Then we get right in. So I think these ones are pretty much okay. So what we're doing, new coins are actually very fun to trade with. Get new players are actually very good at coin to trade. And guys, the only thing is that there's a lot of scams in there. Okay, let's see this one. You can see this one right. It says the pair has very little liquidity, which means that the coin has been rocked. Liquidity is just $2. Market was about 25K, which means that they listed this particular coin. You get and when people bought into the coin and it grew to up to about 25,000 market cap. The dev took blew the liquidity and everybody that bought into this particular coin did what all lost their money. You can see right. Somebody who bought and they moved the liquidity, everybody, all the buyers lost their money again. So this is the disadvantage of trading new pairs. Get this work, all the works always happen here. But good luck for you. I have a bot that you can use to check if the liquidity is locked and if the dev are only more than 10% get. So that's what we're doing. That's why we mostly advise you guys to trade coins that the liquidity is low. Because the liquidity was not low, that's why the dev can remove the liquidity. Get you go to up to 44K market cap and they remove liquidity, everything done. Get so this was the first one open, pretty much good one. So this is one market cap that liquidity is locked, which is very, very important for the liquidity for the going to be locked. So you can also confirm this by copying the link, the CA. You can see this place besides you can copy the CA. I'll be going over to a boot that I'll be showing you right away. So guys, this particular boot called the TTF boot, you can find the link in the description box and you can search for it on Telegram. The username is TTF boot. So this bot is a lifesaver. With this bot can easily see if they can easily use the bot to analyze the coins to see if liquidity is locked or not. When you do this, pay the CA, right? Then click on the send button and give it a sec. Just wait a few minutes for this particular bot to run a check on the coin, and once it is done, you're going to see if liquidity is locked or not. So let's just give this a sec. So guys, as you can see, this particular bot just run a check on this particular coin. Okay, let me confirm if this was it. If Sonny the dog, you can see Sonny the dog, and as what we have here looks clean to me. It's not meetable, it is 100% lock, which is the liquidity, LIQ signifies liquidity. And guys, if you come down to this particular place, you can see that the top 10 orders are audited to 1%, which is not bad. So as you can see with this particular boat, you get to know that liquidity is definitely it is locked. So from there, the next thing you probably be doing is check their Twitter, see if they are making tweet you get. So with that, we have confidence that oh, can probably buy into this particular coin, and if we do that, we won't lose. The dev won't well goes. The dev will remove liquidity just like what the dev in this particular coin did to get. So I'm not very sure. So the next thing will be buy into this particular coin. And to buy into the coin, just like I said, this is the first one. When trading meme coin, there are a lot of waves, but this is the first wave. The wave where it got you got to get to the peak. After that, you get to decrease. You get to the peak and get to decrease. This is the first wave. So what we'll be doing is very simple. So as you can see at this particular place, let me take the play icon. It has going to 220k market cap. Surely it is still going to uh like drop down again. You don't buy at the top. This is like the top. From here it will to about 190k market cap, deep to about 100k market cap, and it's now this particular place you get. So people who bought at this place would like to take profit. What we're doing is simply wait for the coin for it to be put back to let's say 100k market cap of skin or 150k market cap, and then you can only buy into it. And if it goes to about 500k market cap or close to that, you can take profit of the coin you get. It is very easy. So trading new coin is very easy. We're lucky to got this. We're lucky to get this very one, and it's kind of unique. And one thing to keep in mind is that you should not hold this coin for long. You can make one coin that you hold for long, make one coin that you buy. Once they give you 2 years or 3 years, you sell, take profit, and allow the rest to run. You get. So, for example, if I let me show you this price range. So, guys, if I draw the price range to from this particular place to here, so I don't know why this is not coming up. So you guys can see from this particular wave from 65k market cap but one is 5k market cap is the percentage profit is about 136%, which is like 1.5x. And if we check from this price range to this current top now, if I check this one right, you see that the percentage of this place is see about 100x, which is about like more than 1.5x, close to 100% profit you get. So you get to make profit, you get a lot of tons of profit by simply trading what new pairs of coin you get. So this I can simply do it. Can check out the others. Let's see if they have load up. This particular one was the one opened from the new chain, which is the pulse chain, and the pair has little liquidity. I copied the CA and I used TTL board. I dive table able to analysis on it. I think this other one that got was also from the pulse chain. So you guys will please beware from the pulse chain. Because sequence created under the pulse chain liquidity are pretty low. And some people are still buying today, so it's just both buying because the amount they are spending this coin is very small. You can see cents. People are buying cents, but this coin it is gone already. Get so let me just see if still both can run analysis on this particular coin. Get copy the boot, copy the CA, come over then simply do what paste the contract address and kind of send it.